Okay, I have an early morning visitor right here. Been eating my... Shh! Ah, there's one too. Don't care. You fall now? Ah, she's going back to my vegetables. See? They've been cutting my... Got my watermelon in here flowering. And they trimmed it. Where'd she go? See? They're flowering already, but there's so little leaves left. Ayan guys. So when we came back yesterday, Stephanie harvested some plums right away, and they are yellow plums. It's right, they're yellow now, and they are so sweet. Juicy. Katuro. Juice are dripping. Super juicy. And I'm going to harvest my colitis, you guys. Ouch. Ayan, grabe, oh. I'm going to make munggo. Tambok-tambok. Munggo na this. Wow, look at my ano guys, oh, my piece, oh. Ah, but they are kinda mature now. After. Of course, hindi tayo pwedeng hindi magmukbang ng chicharo or sweet peas. Grabe. Parang singkamas. It's so sweet, guys. Parang singkamas. Maraw lang ito nga matamis. Sorry po. Let's get more. It's really sweet. Parang hugas-hugas ah. So sweet. That is like apple green color.
You need to put some refreshing fluid in.
It's time to park the RV. Looks like Koto or Gasa. Okay, we are Infinity Tacoma. Bring us the loo for our window won't go up. The same thing we are dealing in our vehicle in the Philippines. No, but that window stuck a little bit.
Yeah, that's because these need to be changed out.
Yeah. And yeah, her window right here dropped and they won't go up no more. So here we are at Infinity Tacoma to get it fixed.
Dad, please try this.
Free chips, snacks, refreshments.
Can you try it?
She wants me to try this. I love them.
Mine's.
Oh, it's in the house?
It just makes sense now.
Okay. QX. Right here. 80. How much they charge you for this?
Put a $50 home.
Huh?
$50 home.
Look at this. All these amenities. Touch screen too. This is QX, and there's a hidden department right here.
Oh my God.
But the bad thing for this is, look, the middles is only seats. Like this is a waste right here. They could have put one more seat in the middle because the middle only got 2 seats. push key. This might be 2026, huh?
I don't know what it is.
The one we used to get from that's QX80 too, but it's not push one. Is that a camper?
That's right. There could be a 10 in there.
A tent? It's going camping too. Like a tricycle. So cute. Guys, we are going to go out early for Stephanie's dental appointment. And I think we are gonna return this rental car after today. Ang daming wild berries dito guys. Blackberries. Pwede na to. See? Awesome. My goodness, I have not watered my corn. Ayan sila. I'll water them later.
He's living in a big house and a guy probably renting all the rooms out. and everything.
Wow, ang pear bunga. Rako bunga. Nakato a whole bunch of fruit in here. It's all gone, you guys. Oh, the deer harvested them. See, there's no more left, but a few over there. Wow. Wow, early morning trash people is here. So the truck just turned around. It's not big enough trash yet, but guys, I'm making Steve's breakfast. He wants bacon, egg, and bagel. So bacon, egg, and bagel it is. Bagel. Pero isa lang ang bagel na natira is only half of the bagel. Ayun lang guys. Yan lang ang makain niya. Guys, good morning. It's sunny today. It's July 30th. Yeah. Update of our corn. See? They're so tall and healthy. Kaya lang, there's no flower yet though. When? Look at them stalks. Okay, so they're so huge. Stephanie went in and see Emily get her charger because she forgot her charger from the loaner car.
Did you thank her?
Yeah.
What she say? She went by herself. Guys, I am making cinnamon rolls. Here's my dough. It's done proofing. Ayan guys, it's cinnamon time. O, diba? Happy na naman ang iba. Basic lang yan. With gravy. Natulog ng gravy. We have rabbit in here in the storage.
No predators.
They can squeeze in through the...
Oh, he moved out.
Huh?
There was an RV or something right there.
Oh yeah, they went camping maybe.
I saw all.
And guys, we are at the doctor's
Yeah,
office
Stephanie does have
for the
she has a
girls. And we brought the RV with us because we have plans after this. So dito na naman tayo guys, of blueberries guys. So, fresh off the tree. Ay, ito hilaw pa ata. Maasim to. This one should be sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Ang dami yun. Oh, you guys start picking now. We are here doing some picking. There's Stephanie. Juliana and Luis. And Kuya is vlogging in the background with that is all.